Hello everyone and welcome to Zel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your ZelNode to the latest version and activate it with the latest version of the ZelCore Wallet. This mandatory update will both strengthen network security as well as ensure that your ZelNode receives fair and regular rewards. The steps in this video are for those ZelNode operators who installed their node by using the installation script. For ZelNode operators who compiled from source, please follow the steps in the wiki to update to the latest version. A link is in the description below. For everyone else, let's get started. First, you will need to visit the official Zelcache GitHub and open the ZelNodeUpdate repository. A link to this repository is in the description. From there, you can follow the detailed guide for how to use the script in the repository to safely update your ZelNode. There are 5 steps to deploy the upgrade. Step 1. Use your favorite terminal program to log into your ZelNode VPS. Be sure to use the same username and password you chose when you first set up your ZelNode. Step 2. From the ZelNodeUpdate repository, copy the entire command here and paste it into your VPS terminal by right-clicking anywhere on the terminal window. Once the command is pasted into the command line, press Enter to run the script. The script will update any system files that are out of date, set up a log rotation for your Zelcache debug log file, which helps to conserve hard drive space, then downloads and updates your ZelNode to the latest version. Step 3. Once the script has completed, it is time to reboot your VPS. The commands to do this are given at the end of the script. Simply type sudo reboot -n and press Enter. Your terminal program will be disconnected from the VPS and you can close that window. Step 4. After a few moments, open a new terminal instance and connect back to your VPS. Enter the same login information as you did previously. Then, check to see if the ZelNode is running by typing the following command: zelcache -cli get info, then press Enter. If the update was successful, you will see version 3.0.0.1.0.0.50 with protocol version 1.7.0.0.10 and wallet version 60,000. Next, run the following command to check the ZelNode's status: zelcache -cli space get ZelNode status, all one word, then press Enter. This will display a message that the ZelNode needs to be activated. Step 5. Now it's time to start the ZelNode from within our ZelCore Wallet. Be sure that your ZelCore Wallet is running the latest version, 1.4.0. If the correct version does not appear on the login screen, then go into your wallet settings and turn on automatic updates. Then close and reopen your wallet. ZelCore will automatically download the latest version of the wallet. Please note that ZelCore does not automatically start the latest version of the wallet. So, if you see a message that an update has been downloaded, you will need to once again close and reopen the wallet to begin running the latest version. Once you have verified that you are running the latest version of ZelCore, log into your account, open your Zelcache wallet, and launch the full node wallet. Once in your full node wallet, click on Tools, then click ZelNode's Management. Scroll to the bottom of the menu and click on Start ZelNodes. From here, you should see your currently configured ZelNodes. To start your newly updated ZelNode, click the button in the center, then choose Single ZelNode. Next, click on Select a specific node to start, and choose the appropriate node to start. Then, click the Start ZelNode button. This will send an activation code to your newly updated ZelNode and will complete the upgrade. To double-check the status of your ZelNode, you can once again log into your VPS and type the following command: zelcache -cli space get ZelNode status, all one word, then press enter. Your newly activated ZelNode should display status 4, ZelNode successfully started. Now you may continue to enjoy regular ZelNode rewards. If you have any trouble getting your ZelNode up and running, please visit our help desk at faq.zelcore.io. A link is in the description. That about wraps up this guide on updating your ZelNode. We hope that you found this video helpful. If there's anything we can do to improve this process, please leave your comments down below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.